Welcome to Quiz Whiz. In today's quiz, can you guess the dangerous animal? You have 3 seconds per round to guess the animal. Pause the video if you need more time. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. Guess the animal. It's a tiger. It's a gorilla. It's a great white shark. It's a wolf. It's a rhinoceros. It's a hyena. It's python. It's killer whale. It's a lion. It's African elephant. It's a hippopotamus. It's a kangaroo. It's a jaguar. It's a bull. Guess the animal. It's a frog. It's a crocodile. It's a bald eagle. It's a viper. It's a leopard. It's piranha. It's hammerhead shark. It's scorpion. It's a falcon. It's a jellyfish. Guess the animal. It's a ray. It's a brown bear. It's pelican. It's an ostrich. It's a vulture. It's octopus. It's rattlesnake. It's tiger mosquito. It's tarantula. It's a polar bear. It's a dingo. Komodo dragon. It's a puma. It's a caiman. It's cheetah. It's narwhal. It's lynx. It's black mamba. It's grizzly. It's barracuda. It's a panther. It's eel. It's stonefish. It's anaconda. It's an alligator. It's yak. It's walrus. It's coconut crab. It's giant millipede. It's a leech. It's pufferfish. It's emu. It's alligator turtle. It's lionfish. It's Asian giant hornet. Put your answer in the comment box. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.